Welcome back to Cookin and Composting. My name's Leslie, and today we're making vegan poke bowls. Poke bowls are a great weeknight meal. We're Wednesday here, middle of the week, middle of the day, lunch in the office. We'll go through the ingredients that we're using today, but this is honestly an awesome recipe if you have a lot of little nibs and nubs in your fridge, half a carrot, half a cucumber, a few starting to get sad radishes. So take what we have today with a grain of salt. You can really use any combination. Eggplant is really good in this as well. So today what we are working with, we've roasted up here in our pan some chopped up mushrooms and sweet potato. We've also got avocado to top it with, cucumber, carrots. We're gonna make a bit of a quick and easy sauce here just with sriracha and vegan mayo. You can get really fancy with your poke sauces. Just literally Pinterest or Google poke bowl sauce and you can get real fancy if you have time. Bit of pickled ginger, this is really essential. I would not skip on the pickled ginger, and some sesame seeds to top it with. So we're starting with our bed of rice here in the bowl. So that's just a mix of sweet potato and mushroom. And if you're really creative, you can arrange your poke bowl super Instagram, Pinterest worthy with little sections. I will do my best. So get a few cucumbers, lay them. This is not a Pinterest worthy bowl. Some of that raw carrots. You can also shred your carrots. That looks good, or shredded beets. Anything with a variety of color is gonna make your bowl look so good. Avocado. Some people on Instagram know how to lay the sliced avocado beautifully. Pickled ginger, it's always fun for color. Maybe put that in the middle. And then again, for us today, so simple, just taking some sriracha and mixing it in a vegan mayo. Lots of sriracha, because I like it spicy. And mix that up. Garlic or ginger, always nice additions to sauces like this too. So you go, nice and creamy. I will attempt to drizzle. Oh, not bad. We'll get the close-up of the drizzle and see how I do. It's getting a bit blobby. I care about taste more than how pretty it is, so I always end up putting more sauce than what might look pretty. Final touch, some sesame seeds, black or white, and just sprinkle that on, and we're done. Okay, so with your poke bowl, you can keep it in its sections, or you can mix it all up. I'm gonna try a bite here. Make sure I get some rice from the bottom. Some cucumber. It's actually super good. Sarah, you gotta try this. It's so good. So this is our poke bowl.
Awesome.
You can just dig into whatever section suits your fancy.
It looks so pretty.
Thank you. She's going for a full sweet potato bite.
Yeah.
She's ready for it. I've been chewing for a while. I should have warned you. Are you a sriracha girl? It's a little spicy. She's still chewing.
Bite.
How is it?
It's so good.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna.
She's taking it. We've lost our poke bowl. So thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Cookin' and Compostin'.